with WellCare Diagnostic Center, located at the Pandan Town Center, Mapandan, Pangasinan. For reliable and top-notch healthcare services, you deserve the best care. WellCare Diagnostic Center.
Celebration! Staycation with family or an intimate moment with your special one. Merong perfect na venue yan sa Mapandan. Cora's Manor and Garden. Magmalamay-ari ng mansyon at this magnificent enclave place here at Cora's Manor and Garden. Carry out any occasion sa kanilang garden cafe or party at their poolside. Have a sing-along at their music room. Relax at their room accommodation or enjoy a private time with someone. Sa kanilang Cabana A, kung saan may private outdoor jacuzzi kayo in an enclosed place. Enjoy great food, warmly welcoming staff, exceptional accommodations, and relaxing scenery at Cora's Manor and Garden. Whatever it is, Cora's Manor and Garden is the perfect place to be. Visit them at Barangay Pias, Mapandan, Pangasinan, or call them at 0945-800-7074. Experience a special moment, how it should be at Cora's Manor and Garden.
Getting the care it truly deserves? With MXR Premium Lubricants, the answer is yes! US formulated engine oil that's high quality yet affordable.